Hello everyone. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to install Python 3 on your Kali Linux machine. So currently, I'm using UTM to run a virtual version of the Kali Linux, and let's install Python 3 and Jupyter Notebook. So you can always download it from the browser, or you can use the terminal. So today I'll be using the terminal. Make sure you have after running the Kali Linux or installing it, you need to issue the sudo app update. Make sure you have done that so that it could recognize this installation. So sudo app install, then just type on Python 3. Then it will ask for the password of your account. Then just type yes. So this will connect to the server to get the Python 3. So this may take some time depending on your internet and machine. So we have encountered here, there are services installed on your need to be restarted. Just I'll type yes or select yes. So you can also install via package. So you can look for or open an internet browser and then look for the Python 3 here and just download for Linux. Example, Python. Okay, let's go to, then just look for Python download and then go to this website, then download for Linux or Unix. So you can also do that. So I think you're already done downloading the Python. So to check whether it's already installed, you can check the Python version. So Python V or Python V. So to check the Python version, let's type in Python. And then you'll see we have here the latest 3.11.2. So, and it will actually switch you to the Python prompt. So if you type and print hello world, and it will actually interpret your Python command. So I'll quit on this one again, and let's install the Jupyter notebook. So sudo app install Jupyter notebook. So just click on yes also. Then and of course it will take some time. And there you have it. I think you can run by just typing Jupyter notebook. Yan. So this is your Jupyter notebook. So you can go to documents, create your notebook here. So for example, new Python 3. Then let's rename this one as demo. Then here you can print. Hello. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you if you're going to install Python and Jupyter Notebook on your Kali Linux machine. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.